The statistics on road safety are both daunting and disturbing. Nearly 1.3 million lives are claimed by road traffic accidents every year. As much as 3% of annual GDP in some countries is lost due to road accidents. And road traffic injuries are the leading cause of death for children and young adults aged 5 to 29 years. This trend can change. This trend must change. Under the theme, the 2030 Horizon for Road Safety, securing a decade of action and delivery, we can build political will and deliver concrete action that help to save lives. As we begin our deliberations, I have 5 core messages. First, no deaths on our streets are acceptable. Road safety falls under the umbrella of the universal right to health, a fundamental right of every human being, wherever they are and whatever their circumstances are. The Safe Systems approach recognizes that road transport is a complex system with interconnecting elements that reinforce each other. Safety, therefore, must be front and center in how we organize, design, and build out mobility systems. All partners and stakeholders involved in building safe transport systems must be engaged in crafting road safety strategies. Governments need to endorse the global plan for the decade of action for road safety and urgently act on its recommendations. This includes setting national and subnational reduction targets, outlining detailed plans of action, employing a whole-of-government approach, ensuring sustainable financing, and putting in place gender-sensitive and non-discriminatory policies and practices. Above all, implementation of global plan is crucial, guided by evidence-based practices. Road safety must be a political priority at the highest levels of government. Governments must lead and facilitate each country's road safety strategy. They must set up and maintain the broad and inclusive coordination mechanisms to ensure that all ministries and partners are fully involved in building safe transport systems. Governments are key to providing legal frameworks and funding. Long-term sustainable investment is also needed to leverage existing investments in wider areas of transport sector. Everyone has a role to play. We must ensure that all stakeholders accept their responsibilities and that mechanisms to put into place to support them. This includes all those involved in designing and maintaining our roads, manufacturing our vehicles, and administering our safety programs. As the tragic toll on our roads rises, the time for action from governments, societies, and communities is